Politricks watch. This is Sir P. Now, I never know say we'd have to make videos like this. Of all the parishes, of all the divisions, right? Me know me have to go make video upon. Me can't believe St. Elizabeth is one of them. St. Elizabeth. You see, the parish currently have an 80% increase in murders. Let me say that one more time. St. Elizabeth is having an 80% increase in murders compared to last year. Things are spiraling out of control. People from St. Bess are nervous because them not used to this. Now I go tell you who is at the center of all of this. How the parish is looking very spooky because you might take it for granted, right? And say, well, it's not so bad compared to West Kingston or Spanish Town. No, you have to nip it in the bud from early. So, before we get into all of this, I want to send a special Patreon birthday shout out to Angel. You don't know this is coming from your husband and Gio, right? You don't know. That's the Angel. Big up Moses. And then me move to the left, and I know some of the younger viewers them want to tell themselves, which song that? Well, let's just say that was from a different era in a dancehall. The Angel, big up yourself. Hope you have a great day. The hubby and the family, just make you know say them love you, right? And wish you all the best. See? Make we get into the video. St. Elizabeth. Things that get spooky. You might see it at the news recently. 5 shot, 2 dead. Double murder. These are things we normally not associated with St. Elizabeth. Of course, murders happen. Right? In every parish, murder happen. But the frequency of the murders, right? How indiscriminate, right, the murders are, I make people that say, hold on, the whole place, I get out of hand. So make we talk about the recent spike in violence. You see, there is a individual in prison right now, known as Deeno. He's the quote-unquote Don, right? And him and the man in the road in a dispute, and all kind of people are dropped left, right, and center, including innocent people who get caught in the crossfire. I'm going to show you a video. Some of you remember when time the old video them that come out, right? Man are like party in a jail and everything. Deeno was in one of them videos there. I'm going to show you the clip so you can see the party in time. Right? Him go in front of the camera, start to show you him NSC and him money. Right? Remember, 87s are struggling to find a slice of bread. They're so malnourished, right, that it is forcing them, right, to just kill people all over the place. Remember that while you're watching this video. Check this out.
Garland murder. Red boss. Don't know the killer there. Hey, no, but rich badness. Garland murder. Think of check-ins.
So that's Deeno. Him are the quote-unquote Don. Deeno is currently serving sentence in a jail. But him soon touch road. A matter of fact, him actually put out the posters already. Yes, Deeno keep big dance to celebrate his return. It's going to be this summer, so him soon come on road. So not only is St. Elizabeth already spooky and him that jail, you know what go on when time him touch the road. Because if he's so-called incarcerated and all of this cannot happen, when you remove the jail bars and the water and all of that, you don't have to be an expert in quantum physics to know what will happen next. So, Deeno soon touch the road. So earlier in the year, there was a double murder in the parish. A youth named Jovan and a girl named Rasheen. So Deeno sent word to Jovan, who is a 87 by the way, and I make him know say he have to go start work with film system and basically fall in line. Jovan say him not take no talk. Notice all of them warriors start off similar. Even though the names them change and the location them change are the same story. So Deeno decide say he might get out Jovan because Jovan not take no talk. Deeno have some 87s where not even come from St. Elizabeth. Him have 87s in St. Elizabeth, but him have outside link. Right? Him can import man at the place and do shooting. So the man them go for Javan, kill him, and kill Rashid. That's the double murder earlier in the year. But as you can imagine, Javan have film links them too. So them decide say, right, them go carry out retaliation. The recent shooting in the shop, 5 shot, 2 dead. A man and a woman, the bartender, lose her life too. She get caught in the madness. So the man them go for kill Marlon. But in the process, the bartender lose her life and 3 other people get shot. We know them thing they got already. When time when you see them bar there and them shop there, you know, people just walk in for buy 1 bottle of water, buy 1 Guinness, buy a piece of bread, whatever. And next thing you know, 87 walk in, them only come for 1 man, but by the time they shot them done fire, 5 people pick up rounds. Wrong place, wrong time. That is how disastrous 87 operations can be. And shootings like this is what makes St. Elizabeth people get real nervous, because they were always murders. Right? But the 87s turn up, barrage a shot, and man a pick up rounds all over the place. That sound like Spanish Town. That sound like West Kingston. That sound like Mobile. That not sound like St. Elizabeth. So you can see why residents are spooked. So this gang headed by Deeno, even when they are jail, all kind of robberies are take place all over the parish. Even here read the article from the police officer talking about intra-gang link, right, or intra-gang war cause the problems. Him tell us say, them know about the gang. And them know say the gang carry out robberies all over St. Elizabeth. The police have all the information, you know. But telling you all the time say, when time when these things are going on Mobile, when these things are going on West Kingston, all over Jamaica, police know who are the what. This gang go around and rob all kind of shop, all kind of bar. Remember I did the video, right, on the double murder in the parish. Right. People even try to challenge the robbers them. It's this same gang. Remember in that same incident where 2 people lose them life, right? The bartender they claim say, man hold her down. Well, that bartender was working with the criminals then. It's a kerosene. She was working with the criminals. This is how Deeno and them boys them get intel, right? Them have staff, work in the place them, we pass back information to him. Remember I said Deeno that jail, you know. Then pass information back to Deeno, and then him deploy him youths them, whether you them from St. Elizabeth or out of town. Remember the time we do a video on a hardware store robbery, and then they broke in and take some money and big elevator safe. I'm doing the video and I say, how they manage all of this? And the police station they right there so. I think the man name was Redwood. How this happen so close to the police station? I just want to understand say, in all of them gang, right, every single one, right, there is some kind of corrupt police link, right, what help them operate. If you don't know which part that hardware there, in a Santa Cruz, I don't know which part the police station there, that can't make no sense at all. The whole station, deaf and blind that day. Very interesting. So Deeno, Mr. Rich Badness, currently behind bars, after years of your tax dollars, right, helping to feed and shelter somebody who is clearly richer than you, will soon touch road. And will now be able to physically link up, right, with Feme 87s them, and Feme Crooked Bodies them. And the man them when are worried, them probably can't wait for him come on road. Because now, them can actually fight the war properly. Now, them can actually physically see him. Another jailhouse done, sitting behind bars, a run program, and a fight gang war. Welcome to Jamrock, Ironman. And the residents of St. Elizabeth, what frustrates them is because them know say none of this now happen in a secret. That is why the police can tell you say a intra-gang war. That is why them can tell you say a them man are going and brought the place them, and there used to be one gang and now them split up. All of this is known. And when people in our place see say everything is known, that is what frustrates not just no people from St. Elizabeth, but Jamaicans in general. You know. Them know who are the what, but nothing is being done about it. After the bodies them drop, them turn up, and them tell us say, we're working on it and we're going to do this and we're going to do that. Right. And then after 2 weeks, when time things die down back, you hear nothing again. Anyway, look out for some follow-ups and send to Elizabeth because we're going to have to keep a close eye on it. And down the road, we have to go look deeper. Think of this as an intro. I always tell you this because you know, so when time I really talk about a place, you have to first intro it and then we go much deeper. Alright, man. Anyway, Patreon Squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, no life. Ultra Squad, see you circling. Bless.